Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the FitRx Pro massage gun not charging in 2026. So if your FitRx Pro massage gun is not charging, it is usually caused by the charger issues or port related problems or battery faults. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to test the charging setup properly. You can try a different charging cable, adapter and the wall outlet. Look for any kind of charging indicator light on the device. If there is no response at all, that means that the issue is likely with the charger. If it shows charging, but if it doesn't hold the power, you can just simply inspect the charging port on the massage gun. You can look for any kind of dust or debris or loose connection inside the port. Simply gently clean it and plug the charger back in formally. A blocked port can prevent the proper charging. Afterwards, you need to keep your device plugged in for about 10 to 15 minutes and then simply unplug it. Try turning it power on and reconnect the charger again. This is going to help reset the internal charging circuit. Now, even after doing this, the issue still continues. That means that the problem may be with the internal battery or charging board. In that case, you need to repair or replace that particular part. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.